What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to be taking a look at this aftermarket seat for the Honda Grom. All right, so this is the seat. This seat is coming out of Thailand as an aftermarket option, so when you're ordering, it is going to take a little bit of time to get it, but you can see here kind of the design on this particular one. So it kind of has that little dip right here in the seat. And so this is the product here. And so let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like on the bike. So just like you put on your regular seat, slide it into the little holder spot there, get it wedged in and press down. All right, so let's look at the seat in action on the bike. Now I am 5'11", and what I notice is when you sit on this, you are in one particular location. When I put my foot forward here, I'm already noticing that the angle of my leg is a lot sharper than with the stock seat. So if you're a little bit on the taller side, that stock seat is going to give you the ability to shift back and forth to a comfortable spot that works for you. Now, as you notice here, my knee is kind of sticking out probably about 2 inches beyond this bulge point, this bend point here on the fairing. And so, yeah, that's just one thing to point out as far as a position and a comfortability for this particular bike. So let's go ahead now and compare this with the stock seat. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this one off. All right, so as you notice now, I have a lot more flexibility to shift. This is typically where I'm riding. As you notice now, my knee is kind of coming right, not quite past this point here, but this is typically where I'm sitting. So you can see I'm not sitting like this, but I'm more so sitting like this, which is a comfortable spot for me. So let's look at both of these seats side by side. Okay, so here is the side-by-side comparison of these two seats. We'll put them together here. You can see they basically have the same mold. The dimensions of how the seating is just different between the two. But as you can see here, same structure here on both of these. Stock is on the left, aftermarket's on the right. You can kind of see the bottoms here. So now when you look at the side profile, you can kind of see the differences here. It's just literally a difference in the design. But what I do notice is you're gonna get a lot less foam here. So if you do get a seat like this, you're gonna wanna consider maybe reupholstering it to get a little bit more cushion in there. And a lot of people do say that the stock seat doesn't have that much cushion, but everything is in perspective. So yeah, here's a comparison of both of these seats. Again, this seat is attractive in the styling, and this one I got a combination of a little bit of that carbon fiber texture with the plain texture. You can even change the stitching inside here to you know, choose one with a different color. But in essence, that is the review of this aftermarket Grom seat. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.